How to enable the dark mode theme in Windows 10. Windows 10 includes a dark mode setting, otherwise known as a dark theme, that changes the colors used by Windows and some installed apps to darker colors. While dark mode was originally created so that Windows would display less light and thus would not disturb others who may be sleeping, many have found that they prefer to use a dark theme at all times as they find it easier on the eyes. To enable the Windows 10 dark mode, you need to go into the Colors settings screen. To do this, you can either go into Settings Personalization Colors or type Dark into the Start menu search field as shown below and select Color Settings. Once you are at the Color Settings screen, scroll down until you see Choose Your Default App Mode, as shown in the image below. To enable dark mode in Windows 10, simply select the Dark setting under Choose Your Default App Mode, and Windows 10 will immediately change the color scheme to the new dark mode theme as shown below. Now that dark mode is enabled, this same dark theme will be used throughout Windows and many of its apps. This article will provide instructions on how you can change your password on Twitter. When using any online service, including Twitter, it is important to make sure you use a unique password at each site. This way, if your password is ever exposed, only that particular site is affected and your other sites are safe. Windows 7 hides certain files so that they are not able to be seen when you exploring the files on your computer. The files it hides are typically Windows 7 system files that, if tampered with, could cause problems with the proper operation of the computer. It is possible, though, for a user or piece of software to make a file hidden by enabling the hidden attribute in a particular file or to increase security. Twitter offers a feature called login verification, which is their version of two-step verification. With login verification enabled on an account, a user will not only need the password to log in, but will also require a code sent to your mobile number at the time of the login. By default, Windows hides certain files from being seen with Windows Explorer or My Computer. This is done to protect these files, which are usually system files, from accidentally being modified or deleted by the user. Unfortunately, viruses, spyware, and hijackers often hide their files in this way, making it hard to find them and then delete them. When making a change to the registry, it is recommended that you first create an export of the entries that you are about to modify. This allows you to save the information to a registry file, or .reg file, so that if a problem occurs you can import the original settings back into the registry. VMDR Vulnerability Management. Detection and response, discover, assess, prioritize, and patch critical vulnerabilities in real time and across your global hybrid IT landscape, all from a single solution. Text source, bleepingcomputer.com.